For over 50 years, psychologists have been running experiments to figure out why people buy. And here's the wild part. The same patterns they uncovered in their studies are the exact same ones that make Facebook ads convert today like crazy. Which means if you understand a few of these psychology principles today, you don't need fancy hacks, you don't need to obsess over targeting, and you don't even need to pray to the algorithm gods to give you a great ROAS. Because once you understand how the human brain makes buying decisions, you can write ads that cut through the noise and feel irresistible and consistently drive conversions for your ads. Because here's the thing, marketing psychology is simply the study of how our brains make decisions, and that's simply it. When you use it in your ads, you don't have to shout louder, you don't have to spend more, you don't have to create these complex campaigns, because your ads stop feeling like ads and instead they feel like shortcuts to what people already want. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 proven psychology hacks, all backed by decades of behavioral science that make Facebook ads convert like crazy. And stick with me because the last one is by far the sneakiest tactic, and once I show you how to build an ad around it, you'll never look at ads the same. So the first tactic we're gonna talk about is social proof. And why this works is because people trust what others already validated. If everyone else is buying, liking, or recommending, it lowers their risk. So what you can do is testimonial carousels with 3 to 5 real customer reviews with photos. Each slide talks about a different pain point. Before and after video testimonials or photo testimonials of a customer who's sharing their story. Authority numbers on the ad are really good. It's also proven that if you add numbers to your ad, your click-through rates are going to increase. So that all helps. So you can see here, I have some examples where this ad on the left, they have these reviews, these stars here where it says 4.7 out of 5, 8K plus reviews. Over here on the right, they have this badge grid leader, right? Automatically, that's giving them some type of status, some type of authority, some type of social proof. This is one I've been incorporating in a lot of our ads, especially a lot more lately, because this is a proven psychology principle. And just to throw in a little extra bonus for you, I'm going to show you one I'm actually running for our own agency. So you can see here, there's a tons of social proof. Fire your agency and save your ad money. Scale with the #1 meta growth partner. So we have a trust pilot for social proof. We also have some faces of some customers here with the stars, how many businesses we've scaled, a meta business partner, adding more social proof, and a screenshot of one of our clients' profit results. So this is one I've been incorporating a lot more into our ads because it lowers risks and it's going to help improve your conversions. The second tactic is loss aversion. And why this works is because people fear losing out more than they crave winning. And scarcity and urgency drive action. So what you can do is you can do countdown ads, videos with or statics that say, hey, only 48 hours left, only 20 left in stock, don't miss out, static image, your competitors already claim this advantage, will you? Limited spots story ad, so a vertical video showing a calendar with spots filling up quickly, claim your spot before it's gone. So you can see here, this Black Friday deal is ending soon, so the loss aversion here, and then even with this ad, a limited time offer, only available from 4/1 to 5/11, save $500. Things like this, especially if you have some type of, special offer that's only available this month, you want to make sure you state that in the ad. And tactic number 3 is curiosity gap ads. And why this works is because our brains hate unanswered questions. It's kind of like left on a cliffhanger on a Netflix show or movie or something like that, right? When you watch the first episode and wanting to figure out what's going to happen next. So an open loop forces a click to close the gap. Some ad type ideas for this are mystery hook videos. Start with everyone thinks this is a reason their ads don't convert, but it's not, it's this. Then cut and end with the call to action. Click below to see the fix. A blurred out image, right? The #1 tool 7-figure brands won't tell you about. And maybe, holding like an envelope or something and blurring it out, and it's going to add curiosity. Story swipe up series, frame 1. Want to know the one thing killing your ad conversions? It's not your targeting. Click the link below to find out. So here's some examples. 99% of ads suck. Here's what the 1% are doing. And that's basically where it leaves you off. And it makes people want to click the link to see what the funnel and offer is about. Or this one here on the right, where literally it's a blurred screen. Surging sales. This content contains performance strategies that will boost your revenue and scale your business like never before. Click to see why. So we just covered 3 psychology hacks that make Facebook ads convert like crazy. And as a bonus tip, what you want to do is you want to use some tool like foreplay.co or something like that, where you can save ads to different folders. So what we do is we have different folders for different types of ads. So we have a folder for social proof ads or FOMO or last minute discount ad. We save them all in there for inspo. Remember, social proof is going to help reduce doubt. Loss aversion is going to force urgency, and the curiosity gaps pull the click in. And if you only remember one thing, let it be this: platforms will always change, but psychology will remain the same. So always remember that the psychology principles are the fundamentals of marketing and running ads, but the platforms might change. There might be a new platform that's going to be the best to run ads on. There's going to be TikTok and Pinterest and all of this, TV ads. Always make sure to go back to the fundamentals. So if you got value from this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns like this, and stay tuned for the next one.